Good evening everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So like, if you have followed my Insta stories and if you have read in my stories, I have already asked people whether they want me to do an unboxing story, and I have got a very good response from a lot of people, and a lot of you have been asking me to do unboxing videos. So this is my first official unboxing video of a product that I received from Open Road Riding Gears. It is a online store and a physical store as well, from where you can order your motorcycle gears. So I have ordered this, and we are about to unbox what is inside and what it contains. So let's get to it. Yeah. Actually asked a lot of you people as to guess what it might be and what it is, and most of you guys got it correct. It is actually a tank bag which I ordered, and what brand it is and what are its features I'll be telling you in a bit. So I've opened the contents. Let me open a bit more. What else it contains? Okay, and from here. So there we go, it's a tank bag. I've got the Open Road sticker, the card. I'll be putting the contact details in the description box below, so you guys can order your stuff from there. So this is something, the invoice. Okay. Oh, I've got an Open Road Riding Gears keychain as well. It's a small dainty looking keychain. Looks very nice. All the goodies that you receive sometimes when you order good items. So okay, so finally this is the tank bag, and it is the Dirtsack Forester that I've ordered from the Open Road Riding Gears online store. All has come with the bag. So first thing, I'm going to open this in pocket. We have got straps. So there are 4 straps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So I'm guessing 2 to be attached on the neck area and 2 to be attached on the bottom area. And we have this compartment, I think, which hosts the rain cover. This is the rain cover. Okay, so this is with a detachable belt. So it reinforces the rain cover with the bag. Now let us see how the rain cover goes on with the bag. So we have the rain cover and 4 straps with this bag. That's it. So now let's talk about its features. So first off, I'd like to just show you how the bag looks once again. So this is how the bag looks from the front. These are the sides. Side pockets. This is one more pocket, and this is the transparent pocket. So well, talking about its features, it has got all its zippers are YKK zippers. Okay, it has got 3 pockets that are there. One main pocket is also for the rain cover, which I've already shown you. So let me just show you the main pocket now by opening it. So this is how it opens up. This is how it looks. This is how the bag looks. Okay, these are some extra pockets where you can keep the phone charger, the mobile phone or anything, a small few extra things here and there. This is the main pocket into which you can keep your things. Now, to access this particular pocket, the transparent one, it can be accessed through this zipper right here. So this is how it opens. This is all for your navigation systems like your maps or maybe a GPS system or maybe a mobile phone. Now coming to its side pockets. These are its side pockets. So this is one. This is the other one in front, and this one also on the side. So we have got 3 pockets like that, like I said. Okay, now coming to its back side. Now, as you can see, this is a very smooth neoprene system that the bag has. The only reason being that it protects your tank from being scratched. So when I keep my bag on my tank like this, there's no problem at all. And of course, it's a non-magnetic bag. This is a non-magnetic bag. So it has got its straps, like I told you. These straps are for the attachment. 2 over here and 2 over here. So, and yes, it is a 16-liter capacity bag as the normal ways go. And once you expand it, it expands to 20 liters. I'll show you how to expand it. You just have to open the zipper over here. The zipper opens like this. All around, right up till where it starts. Now, it opens the bag up to another 4.5 inches to make it expandable to 20 liters. So the bag is fully, if the bag is fully loaded, with this it becomes a 20 liter capacity bag. Now a Dirtsack tank bag comes with a 3-year warranty. So if anything goes wrong, manufacturing defects, that is what is being covered in the warranty, is what I saw on the warranty card. And yes, you have to carry your tax invoice or the invoice that you get with your tank bag from the store or from the online dealer, from wherever you have purchased it, to lay a claim for the warranty. Otherwise the warranty would not be accepted. So yeah, that is about it for the features. So guys, now we are going to talk about its capacity. So as you already are seeing, I have actually loaded the tank bag completely with all the things that I think are essential for me to travel, let's say for a day or 2. Okay, so this is the rain cover, like I said. Okay, it's got nice reflectives on either sides, like you can see. Okay, now I'm going to open this up. I'm going to unload the tank bag. Okay, so that you can see what all things I have kept inside. I know I'm doing it reverse. I'm not doing it the way the normal way it goes, but this is the right way, I guess, for me. So you're good. So the rain cover is off. I have loaded the tank bag completely. As I've mentioned, the bag is actually a 16-liter capacity bag, but I have actually put in a lot of stuff and expanded it to a 20-liter capacity bag. Okay, so I'm going to unload this slowly and steadily and see how these things go. So here we go. First, the side pockets. Got my goggles. My wallet. Let's go on to the main pocket now. My phone. charger, earphones, my bike documents, my USB charger, raincoat, gauntlet gloves, simple mesh gloves, rain pants, t-shirts, some more clothes, another pair of t-shirts, and the last a pair of jeans. So all in all, a great bag to have, a great tank bag. You can have all of these things put into the tank bag and you can go for a day or two on a ride without any worries. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.